In today's video, I'll show you how to install the AI enhanced HD texture pack for Resident Evil Revolutions 2 to upgrade the game's graphics with sharper textures and improved visual quality. Check my video description for this mod link. Download this HD texture pack and scroll down under optional files. Select this fixing black textures. Download this as well. Once download done, check my video description for this Fluffy Mod Manager download link. Right click on the HD textures pack and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location and drop these two folders inside of a game folder. Select the replace the file in the destination option. Once this done, just go back and open Fluffy Mod Manager. Just close tab here and go to downloads. Right click on the Fluffy Mod Manager and select WinRAR and select extract to. Right click on the Fluffy Mod Manager and select cut option. Paste it in a game folder. Open Fluffy Mod Manager. Open modmanager.exe. In choose game, you just need to scroll down and find Resident Evil Revolutions 2. Select the game and select choose game folder and choose the game install folder. Navigate to the game folder. Select the Revolution 2 game folder and select folder option. Game has been selected. Select the mod list. Now go back to downloads and drag and drop this fixing black textures mod inside this mod manager. Just turn on this mod. Once you've done this, the mod is successfully installed. Everything is done. Launch the game. I will show you guys the texture comparison. You can easily compare before and after. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.